GPS week number rollover. The GPS week number rollover is a phenomenon that happens every 10-24 weeks, which is about 19.6 years. The Global Positioning System GPS broadcasts a date, including a week number counter that is stored in only 10 binary digits, whose range is therefore 0 to 1023. After 1023, an integer overflow causes the internal value to roll over, changing to 0 again. Software that is not coded to anticipate the rollover to 0 may stop working or could be moved back in time by 20 or 40 years. GPS is not only used for positioning, but also for accurate time. Time is used to accurately synchronize payment operations, broadcasters, and mobile operators. 1999 occurrence. First rollover took place midnight UTC August 21 to 22, 1999. NERSEN issued an advisory prior to the rollover stating that some devices would not tolerate the rollover. Because of the relatively limited use of GPS during the 1999 rollover, disruption was minor. 2019 occurrence. The second rollover occurred on the night of April 6 to 7, 2019, when GPS week 2047, represented as 1023 in the counter, advanced and rolled over to 0 within the counter. The United States Department of Homeland Security, the International Civil Aviation Organization, and others issued a warning about this event. Effects. Products known to have been affected by the 2019 rollover include Honeywell's flight management and navigation software that caused delays for a KLM flight and cancellations for numerous flights in China because the technicians failed to patch the software. Furthermore, the New York City wireless network NYC crashed. This is NYC Private Municipal Services Wi-Fi network not for public use. The public free Wi-Fi service is known as Link NYC and apparently was not affected. Other products that were affected by the rollover include cell phones that were sold in 2013 or earlier, certain types of old Vezola radios on ground stations, suspending launches at some stations for up to 2 weeks, knows what a bar is, many scientific instruments, and consumer GPS navigation devices. Prior to return to normal standard time from daylight saving time during the morning of November 3, 2019, Apple issued a warning to owners of iPhone and iPad devices sold before 2012 to update or risk losing internet connectivity. Some fewer GPS models had an internal rollover on January 2, 2022. If the equipment was not updated with the latest software version, the equipment's date will no longer be displayed correctly. Honda and Acura cars manufactured between 2004 and 2012 containing GPS navigation systems incorrectly displayed the year 2022 as 2002 with the time offset by several minutes. This problem was due to an overflow on the GPS epoch. The issue resolved itself in August 2022. 2038 occurrence. The third rollover will occur between November 20 and 21, 2038. 2137 occurrence. The above rollovers are due to a 10-bit week number. The more recent CNAV protocol, successor to the original NAV protocol, uses 13-bit week numbers, which amounts to a 157-year cycle. Therefore, using the same epoch of 1980, the first rollover won't be until 2137.